if I don't have to buy insurance, why should I? I commonly hear from clients that they begrudge buying art insurance. And I get that, you don't want to pay the expense. And often the point they make is, why do I have to buy insurance to cover my art? Why am I being forced by the government to buy insurance to cover my art when I'm not forced to buy insurance to cover any of the assets that I hold in my self-managed super fund? I understand that point, but actually it's not quite accurate. I'm going to give you 3 examples. The 3 most common asset classes that you buy are probably shares, property, and also cash. When you buy shares, you're buying obviously an interest in a company. That company has purchased insurance to cover all of its assets. So if you've bought equity in BHP and BHP factory or mine floods, they've bought insurance to protect that. So inherent within your share price that you've purchased is insurance. When you buy property, you typically buy home and contents insurance, or if it's an investment, you buy landlord's insurance, you might buy lender's mortgage insurance, you might buy life insurance, all related to your property. You might be forced by the bank to do so, you might do it because that's what you've always done. The point being that when you buy property, you've also got insurance. And when it comes to cash, which sits in a bank, is not guaranteed. That's why there's a political debate about introducing some type of deposit insurance scheme. So if you look at the 3 main asset classes that self-managed super funds purchase, they all have insurance embedded in them. In fact, art and collectibles is one of the only assets that doesn't have insurance embedded in, which is why I think the government insists that you purchase insurance. In any regard, you should want to do it. Artwork is very susceptible to loss. Unlike a share or cash, which can't really be destroyed, artwork is susceptible to damage by fire, by water, by accidental damage, by theft. There are a lot of ways you can lose your value in artwork. So, although I appreciate insurance is an expense you don't want to incur, in almost everything else you do in your life, insurance is already part of it. You're already paying for it. So art and collectibles is one of the only ones where you don't. When it comes time to thinking about insurance for your art and collectibles, give us a call because it may not be as costly as you think it is. And we have a whole range of tips and advice that we can give you to lower your insurance cost.